What's up, guys? Welcome back to the final episode of our PHP Object Oriented CRUD tutorial series. In this video, we are going to finish up this project by adding our HTML template for the front end. So let's get started. In the header.php, as you can see, I have already created the HTML skeleton and I have connected the bootstrap using CDN link. Then we have the navigation bar. We have the product. Let me change this to logo. So we have the anchor tag for the home page and for the new product. Then after that, we have the flash messages for the success and danger. Next, if we go to footer, we have the HTML body and we connected our bootstrap JavaScript here. And if you want to write the code, you can pause the video and follow the code. And after, if we go to the index.php, we have the footer and we also connect our header here. So now we have the header and footer. Now inside that, we have the all products and the search form. Then after that, we have the no product found. If we don't have a product, it will show this message. Then next we have the responsive table. Inside the table we have columns. Next we have the for each loop. Using for each loop we are displaying our data inside the table rows. So that's how you can display your data inside the table. Then after that we have some buttons like view and edit. Using those buttons we can go to these pages. So if we click on that, then the switch method will redirect user to that method. And after that, we are passing the hidden CSRF token. We also passing the hidden ID and we have delete button. Then after that, we end the for each loop. And if we have a lot of data inside our database, then it will show those data in the pagination form. So that's why we created this pagination and the paginate function. We have everything inside the index.php. So now let's test this in a browser. And if I refresh, you can see we got the template. We have the new product button, no product found alert. We have the search bar. So now let's create a product. And as you can see, we have the action create. So it's gonna redirect user to the create file. Here we have the header and the footer. And we also have the back button so user can go back. And we have the form. Inside form, we are passing the CSRF token. Then we are connecting the form.php file. In this file, our form lies. Then we have the save button so we can submit the form. If we go to the form file, you can see we have the input for the price, product name, and we also have the description. Let's try to add some product. So I'm gonna type the product name. Then I'm gonna type the price and the demo description. Then click save and we got the error unknown column. I think we left one query inside the product model. So let's fix that. Let's go to the product model and inside the find. Yeah, let's change here. Now let's try again. And now we don't have any error. Let's go back. So we have the success message. That's mean our product is inserted, but we are not redirecting user. Let's try with the view. And the URL looks fine here, but the page is not loading. So let's find that. Let's go to the index. Here everything looks fine. Then let's check the controller. In the show method, everything looks fine here. And I think we are missing something here. So the problem is that we are not redirecting user to anywhere because in the if we are redirecting to the index, but outside the if we need to redirect user to show.php. So now it should work. Let's try again. Let's click view. And as you can see, it's working fine. All right, so let me show you the code of this page. I think I didn't show this code. So this is the code of the product details. We have the table, product ID, name and price, and every details are here. We have some buttons. So if we go to the edit, you can see we have mostly the same code as the create.php file. Let me show you. As you can see, we have only the action and the ID. So that's the difference between create and edit page. All right, so now let's get back and let's create another product. And it's working fine. We have all the details. Let's check the edit. So we have the data, we can update the data and we can go back. Now let's create another product. And save it. So it saved the data. Now let's try the update functionality. So we change the name. And if I click update, you can see data is updating. And we have multiple records. Now let's test the search functionality. So I'm going to search for the product. And as you can see, we got that product. Then let's change this. And we got the product. So that's mean our search functionality is also working. Next, we will test the delete functionality. So I'm going to delete a record. And we got the success message and the row is deleted. And that's it for this project. Now you have a working application built with the PHP object-oriented programming. You have also learned the MVC pattern, some MySQL, and some basic security features. You can extend this project by adding categories, authentication, or even turning it into a small e-commerce system. If you enjoyed this series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial with others. Thanks for following along, and I will see you in the next project.